What's up guys, welcome back to another video. We're resuming the E46 drift build carnage. We've been tearing the car apart all night. This rocker panel is absolutely gone. And in the trunk, we've completely deleted the spare tire and we've gained access to the diff without having to remove our axle shafts, which is gonna be an absolute nightmare on this 270,000 mile 3 Series. So instead, we're just gonna pop the cover off right here in the car and weld it in the car. So stay tuned. Kid's already tearing the diff cover off, getting in there.
Oh, fuck yeah.
Oh yeah, baby. Oh, damn, you just busted that right loose.
Oh yeah.
Hell yeah.
Go Milwaukee.
Milwaukee for the win.
Grab that hex head, turn the gear oil, and we're good to go.
Dude, let's go.
Yeah, and then we just gotta figure out what size we're gonna do for the plates.
This was completely unplanned. We were just ripping the car apart tonight, and then we were like, you know what? Screw it. Let's weld the diff. So we're welding the diff. Oh yeah.
Man, it's not the worst.
No, it's not terrible. It's not black. All right, we're sitting in the trunk, popping off the rear case. We just cut out a window. Got some socket extensions and box wrenches, and see if we can get this thing off. So the whole reason of cutting out the spare tire, aside from like weight and whatever, was so we could get to the diff here. We cut out this window. Now it's really easily accessible and serviceable. So if our welds don't hold up or whatever, we can access it really easily. All right, boys, a little Pittsburgh love and pry bar love. We got the rear cover off. Let's check this thing out. Hey, it's kind of clean. The one and only brake clean that's well diff friendly. O'Reilly's.
Yeah, shout out to O'Reilly. It's got holes.
Yeah.
Oil to flow through.
Oh, look at that.
There it is.
There are those spider gears.
All right.
Slight change of plans here. We're ditching the scrap metal. We're gonna be using the actual wheel chock from the E46 that comes in the little jack kit, and keep a little piece of the original car there in the diff.
Yo, does not need to have no paint on it.
Just on the edges. A little warm.
A little toasty.
Yeah, you can test with those with your gloves. Furlong is in the trunk, welding the diff. Let's fucking get it, baby.
I mean, I guess it's all a fucking ground, right?
Yeah, everything.
That's probably fine.
Oh yeah!
Oh shit, we got a fire.
Oh shit. Oh shit, let's go. Dude.
First welded diff, baby.
Look at that thing go. Oh shit. So George finished up all of our welds on the diff, welded in those plates, and working on a little something. It's a little surprise. We'll wait on that for a second. We got the diff cover reinstalled. Now I'm gonna pump her with a little bit of diff fluid, bolt it back up, go for a rip. Oh, look at that thing. So like 2:30 in the morning, we've been looking for the key for the past hour. I have no idea where it is. It's either we misplaced it somewhere during the time that we were working on it, or simply Andrew just has it in his pocket right now.
Or we threw it out.
Or he threw it in that trash can of...
Which is now not here anymore.
Oh.
Yeah, because it's in his truck, all tied up, and like, what if it was in the carpet or something? That's not good.
Oh, God. Well, stay tuned, guys. All right, guys, we're back here on the actual camera that I usually film on, so we're back to nice HD quality, back in the shop following night. Andrew's coming over with the key. Andrew woke up this morning and texted me, yo, I got the key in my pocket. Good news is we have a fully welded diff in this car, and she's ready to go send, so we can start off the night with a nice little exciting hoon. Let's do it. Oh yeah. Look at that handbrake. Up to you. Oh.
Oh my god, I almost ripped the e-brake to shift. For now, because there's no floor in there.
Yeah. Oh my god. Oh shit. Oh shit. I think there's a guy. Oh yeah. There you go.
No way this car does that now. Oh, I thought he was coming for me. Look at the rust. Oh my god, that's so bad.
Dude,
You gotta crawl out.
Oh yeah.
Because the door's stuck.
Makes it feel so much more badass.
Oh, she just stalled. Nice.
Oh wow, that rocker panel looks mint. Oh.
You gotta get a little throttle. BMW. Oh god, this thing is just not fast.
It kind of pulls a little.